Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we can get started with the drawing. So the first thing you do is make sure you cut your paper to the right size so that it can fit in the frame later on when you're done. After you've done that, tape it well with masking tape to the table to avoid it moving a lot when you sketch. Okay, so before you start sketching, you take a picture to this website called Drawing Grid 2, and then you can resize your image to the correct centimeters so that it matches the size and the shape of your paper. Then when you're done with that, you can move on to this app and add the grid on. After adding the grid on, make sure you enter the right dimensions. Mine it was 39 and 52. So if you're using a mobile device, you can use these apps. Pinterest has good quality pictures. Image size just helps you resize your images to the correct shape and size. Drawing Grid Maker helps you make a grid on top of your picture. With that said, we can get started. I'll be using my HP pencil for the sketch and my soft charcoal pencils for the shading. So you can start. When you start sketching, make sure to follow each box line by line and try your best to avoid mistakes. Just take your time and sketch well. Try your best to be as accurate as possible. Avoid any kind of mistakes. So the sketch is done. You can subscribe to watch part 2 where I'll start shading. I'll start from the eyes and I'll be showing you how to shade the eyes. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you next time.